Welcome to our Fred Olsen Braemar cabin tours. The first one we're going to show you is an obstructed Oceanview cabin. We're then going to show you around the balcony cabin, and we're going to finish off with a tour of an inside cabin. If you've not met us before, we're Paul and Carol Loves to Travel, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So we're staying in cabin 6046 on the Braemar. Let's go show you around. So here we are.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. We don't know how to say hello in Dutch because we're in Amsterdam today. So anyway, so this is our double cabin outside with obstructed view, and as you can see, it is obstructed by a lifeboat and another passenger's balcony, but actually you can see it's not a problem at all. But back to the cabin, you've got two bedside lights which have got readers, really comfortable bed. We've slept so well, haven't we? So let's just show you. It's actually got quite a bit of floor space here. We've been really comfortable in this cabin. Let's start here with the TV, which Paul can tell you about.
Yeah, it's very easy to navigate. You just turn it on, you've got all your different sections,
Which you can see here.
which you can see here.
And you can also get the webcam up, which is always nice.
The one we like is the bridge cam, because you can see as another beautiful day
in Amsterdam
on the Braemar.
Yeah, so yeah, we haven't used the telly much, but we do like a bit of a webcam. Then we've got our area here, which is obviously the dressing table area with two drawers, one small and two large. Yeah, so not too bad. And then we've got our area here, we've got our plugs. We've got round pin plugs, 220 volts, and we've got a 127 volt. We don't really know what this plug is, and none of our chargers, our flat pin or rounds, fit it. So if you do know anything about this plug, then do let us know. But shelving here, some more storage, which is sort of we use for our charging station. And then we've got our wardrobes here, which has got our tea and coffee station in, and a carafe of water that gets replenished every day. Then we were wondering where is our safe, and then we found it here, look. And that's quite interesting because that's got a key, which is the first we've seen. It's not huge. You can fit passports and purses, etc. in there, but not iPads and laptops. And then we've also got a little fridge at the bottom, which is fine. We've got another wardrobe here, which is a full length, which is exactly what it says on the tin. Yeah. So not a huge amount of storage in this cabin, to be honest, is there, Paul?
But
actually, yeah, we're here for 5 days, so it's actually perfect. Then we've got obviously our ensuite bathroom, which has got a little bit of a step there, and into a standard bathroom. You've got your little washing line there. You've also got a couple of little cupboards here, which is a bit of additional storage, and you've got shaver socket and your shower, which has got the dreaded shower curtain, which we always prefer a glass door, but it's been fine. Water very hot, very roomy actually, not a problem at all. So that's our tour of an outside cabin on the Braemar. So this is cabin 6062, which is a balcony cabin on the Braemar, which we're just getting off the ship, but we're just having a peep. So as you can see, it's got a really good floor space. Really nice and big. Dressing table mirror here. One plug there, and you've got a couple of plugs down there. So two seats, and a nice big balcony.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to advise that we are now ready to commence with disembarkation. Once you arrive in the terminal, your luggage is arranged
so
level, and
there we are. They're asking us to get off, so we'll just have a quick look in the bathroom.
Your luggage is laid out by the group name, not by deck level, and you will also be called for disembarkation.
And it looks exactly the same as ours.
If there are any guests on board who
Brilliant.
did leave their luggage outside, who did not leave their luggage outside,
so that's a balcony cabin on the Braemar.
Do feel free to disembark.
We'll have to look. We can't open the wardrobes. Actually, lots of drawers and a safe.
Also, all further announcements will not be made in guest cabins. Once again, all further announcements will not be made in guest cabins.
And we'll just have a look. So a lot more storage space than our outside cabin. Brilliant. So there we are. That's 6062. So this is cabin 4123, which is an inside cabin, as you can see, which has got the twin beds and is decent size too. Obviously it can be put into a double, but you've got good floor space and little drawers in the middle. And you've got your vanity station there and shelves with the same plugs that we had in our outside cabin, which we'll put a link to. We've also got a bathroom which is exactly the same. So it looks like all the bathrooms exactly the same in all the cabins, as you can see. And we'll just have a look in the wardrobes here, which looks exactly the same as our outside, which are, yeah. So, and the next one you'll see there's the coffee station.
Oh, the coffee station would have been that side.
Yeah, there's there. So there we are. So yes, so that's an inside cabin on the Braemar.
Thanks for watching. Why not watch these videos next?